In today's video, I am going to teach you how to list and sell a jewelry product on Shopify. By the end, you will have a clean product listing that is ready for customers to purchase, with the right images, pricing, options, and shipping details. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From there, go to Products, then select Add Product. This opens the product setup page where you will enter everything shoppers need to feel confident buying your jewelry. First, enter your product title. A simple, clear format works best, like the product name followed by the material. This helps customers understand what they are looking at right away, and it also improves how your product appears in search results and in your store. Next, upload your media. For jewelry, image quality makes a big difference. Add a macro shot so people can see the details and finish. Add a scale shot so they can understand the size on a hand, neck, or next to a common object. Then add at least one lifestyle photo to show the piece being worn, since that helps customers picture it in real life. Make sure your photos are well lit, sharp, and consistent with your brand style. Now set your price. Enter the selling price you want customers to pay. If the item is on sale, also set the compare it price. This shows the original price and makes the discount clear, which can improve conversions when you are running promotions. After that, add variants if your jewelry comes in options. Common examples include metal color, ring size, or chain length. Be precise with option names so shoppers can select the exact version they want, and double-check that every variant is available and correctly labeled. Then set the shipping weight and be sure to include the weight of the jewelry box and any packaging materials. Accurate weight prevents undercharging for shipping and reduces delivery issues. If you sell internationally, add the HS code. This helps carriers and customs classify the product correctly and can reduce delays at the border. Next, assign the product to the right collection, such as necklaces, rings, or bracelets, so it appears in the correct category on your storefront. Finally, click Save to publish your changes. That covers everything you need to know.